Vlogmas 24 and today is officially day 23, which simply means we have 2 more videos to go for Vlogmas 2024. Thank you so much for all your love, time and support. It's all appreciated. I really do appreciate it. Trust me, it means a lot to me. Thank you for watching, sharing, for your comments. Yeah, thank you. I really do appreciate it. So in today's video we are making this very simple popcorn that won't fail you. Okay, so you think popcorn is one simple thing to do until you try. When you try, you will know that okay, there are some mistakes or there are some irregular measurements you will make and your popcorn will just go sideways. But today I'm showing you this simple one that works for me always, so you can try it this holidays for your kids and family. So I've added 2 heaped spoons of margarine in my pot, and I've gone ahead to add half cup of sugar. So you can actually do as much as you want for the sugar. You can do more, you can do less, but yeah, you would think this one I added is too much until you make it this way and you see that the sugar is just right. I mean, it didn't even come out like sweet. It didn't come out too sweet. It was just perfect. So you want to add your sugar to your margarine, stir it until your margarine is totally melt. Go ahead and add milk, liquid flavor or essential flavor or any flavor of choice. I just added essential flavor, and yeah, this always works for me. So go ahead and do that. Add 1 cup of corn. You want to make sure your corn is popping corn, which is the corn used for popcorn. Okay, so I'm using my half cup to measure. Reason I added 2 of that. So go ahead and add 1 cup or 2 of the half cup and stir. You want to stir this on your regular medium heat. You want to make sure you stir this, because if you don't, your sugar might be lumpy. You will think your sugar have melted, but it might still come out lumpy. So go ahead and stir it to make sure all the oil and the sugar is well mixed in there. Okay, so I just threw in some few pieces because I know my cup wasn't very well full. So this is a specific recipe, and if you must get it the way I did, you must follow it the way I did. Okay, so go ahead and cover it with a lid that is compatible with your pots. A transparent lid will go well, because then you can see what you are doing, what's going on inside. Because my daughter will not let me rest. She was like, when she was hearing the old popping sound, she was like, mommy, open, let me see. So if your kids are like that, you can go ahead and use a pot with transparent lid. So you want to stand by, you don't want to go anywhere. The minute you hear it popping, go ahead and hold your pot by the 2 sides and just shake it. Okay, the reason is because you are not using the main popcorn pot that you can just roll the handle and all of that. So go ahead and shake your pot at interval, just so the one that is under that hasn't popped yet will still pop. So do that at interval, so you can go ahead and just open to see what's going on. And if you are seeing maybe a mild smoke coming out from your pot sides, don't worry, it's not burning with this method. And if you follow it the way I do, your popcorn won't burn. So just stir like so at interval, and yeah, you are good to go. So my daughter was just bothering me. I should open one side that she wants to see. So at interval, I just open a bit for her to see what's going on in there. So guys, as you can see, our popcorn is ready. The measurement is just right. Our corn is not greasy. You know how you make popcorn and it will be greasy because of maybe your vegetable oil or your margarine is too much. This one is not greasy at all. The sugar level, everything is just right. So this is what it looks like, guys. Will you be trying this? Will you be making popcorn for the family? Have you made popcorn before? Let me ask that, because not everyone have. Will you be making it now that you have seen this recipe? So let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you and have a blessed day. Season's greetings from me and mine to you and yours. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.